Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device. This avoids lost changes. First, make sure your iPhone 16 is on the latest iOS and that you have a recent backup. Now open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, then Dynamic Island. Turn it on and permit the apps you plan to use with widgets. These permission flips let the system surface content. Once done, open the app you want to customize so you can edit its dynamic island controls directly. You're now inside the app's customization screen. This is where detail matters. Locate the dynamic island or widget settings, then add, remove, or reorder items to prioritize what shows in the island. Use shortcuts to create custom triggers. For example, launch a playlist or start navigation, because shortcuts let the island display contextual actions. Make sure you set concise labels and clear icons so the small island surface remains readable. Once adjusted, preview changes immediately to confirm behavior. Finish by fine-tuning animations and prominence settings so the island blends with your workflow. Test it using calls, timers, or media playback to confirm the right content appears when you expect it. This verifies priority and transitions. If the island doesn't update, restart your iPhone. Make sure app permissions remain enabled, and reset dynamic island settings if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall the app when persistent misbehavior continues, which often resolves stale or corrupted widget data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.